Welcome to the Skhy Threat Awareness Manager and Command Center Showcase, your ultimate advantage in security and surveillance. This isn't just a platform. It's real-time threat detection and unparalleled sensor network control for military, security, and defense organizations. Respond to threats the instant they emerge. Your intuitive command center, instant awareness. Forget complex interfaces, our intuitive system features 6 powerful modules designed for speed and clarity. First, your dashboard, a real-time mission control showing operational stats, area threat levels, and quick navigation. It's live intelligence at your fingertips, always updated. Areas and perimeters allows you to define and protect with precision. Draw custom operational areas on an interactive map. Create multi-tiered security perimeters, no-fly, restricted, caution, alert, with distinct protocols and overlapping coverage for layered defense. Make informed decisions with integrated satellite imagery. The Plan Network module revolutionizes sensor deployment with AI-powered optimization. Our algorithm calculates optimal sensor positions for maximum coverage, minimizing blind spots. And with the Sensors module, you get comprehensive management of RF, audio, and video hardware. Deploy interactively, bulk upload, and monitor real-time sensor status and coverage areas. Real-time threats, real-time response. Live View is your real-time threat detection center. Monitor for drones, vehicles, personnel, and electronic signals. Our system provides intelligent grouping of alerts, velocity analysis for predicting trajectories, and dynamic hazard radii. Respond decisively, resolve alerts, access detailed info, and generate reports. It's continuous monitoring with complete interactive control. The API configuration module enables seamless integration with external systems, expanding your reach. And security is paramount. With secure user authentication, role-based access, data encryption, and comprehensive audit trails, your data is always protected. The Skhy Signal Threat Awareness Manager is the next generation of integrated security. It combines intelligent sensor management, real-time threat detection, and advanced analytics in one user-friendly platform. Whether protecting critical infrastructure, military installations, or special events, this platform delivers the comprehensive security intelligence essential for mission success. Skhy is working on more threat prevention mechanisms, such as interceptor drones. Once integrated to Skhy Threat Awareness System, Command Center will be able to neutralize drone swarms and stop cross-border terrorism and smuggling before, even if it occurs. Thanks for watching.